Hi everybody, I just want to talk you through a project we've just finished, a rather big one, this Fiat Ducato 2015 model year. This job would be best described as a restoration detail. I don't think this vehicle's seen anything like what we've just done to it in its history. Starting off with a really comprehensive deep clean, including all door jams. We do a bit of extra complimentary interior wiping because we've got issues cleaning all that area out and all that sort of thing. Dust gets in everywhere eventually. This has just come back in from central Queensland, so it's got that lovely rich red dust. So we then moved on after the decontamination stage to a one-step polish slash correction of the vehicle, which is satisfactory for this this kind of vehicle. That gets rid of 90% of any sort of swells, scratches, etc. We then coat that in a ceramic coating, which means it's protected for years, not months. And obviously it pops with gloss, it looks fantastic, but that's not really, I think, the main advantage for this kind of vehicle. It is ease of maintenance when you're out on the road. If it's covered in dust and you get some rain, most likely that's going to take 95% of everything off. It's just going to melt off with the rain, which is absolutely fantastic, not to mention just easier to wash in general. We have also added some extra protection to the front of the vehicle, and that protection is paint protection film. So that offers, 10-year warranty against really, product failure primarily, but that's going to prevent any rock chips if this van's in convoy with a bunch of mates. You can not have to worry about that so much, obviously. Virtually invisible. It looks absolutely fantastic. Fairly hydrophobic too. So, curveball on this vehicle was discovering a whole lot of tar on the right-hand side, and actually specks of it everywhere else. But really, what had happened was either a singular incident where there was some roadworks and oncoming traffic splashed it, or maybe it was compounded over many kilometres, but it added a fair bit extra to this job, and that's something you just can't cut corners on. Obviously, with the coating going over the top, you don't want to lock in tar. So that was fun. Got the badges off. They're ugly. Customer agrees. Everything's dressed, and we've got some reasonable protection on that trim as well. Overall, I think it's come up fantastic. So looking forward to handing it over to the owner and sending them back out on the road to enjoy this really nice shiny car and turn some heads in some caravan parks. We've just recovered from this physically, so if you own one of these, we'd love to have a look at it for you and see if we can offer you the same level of attention to your beloved Fiat. Cheers.